Hi, today you are going to learn how to evaluate using CYF free, the free version. First things first, let's make sure that we have created our first QA scorecard. Let's go to Settings and go to Forms Administration. Here we have this template CS Customer Service. This is our scorecard, and if you don't have scorecard yet, please watch our video teaching you how to create your own scorecard. The next step, we need to make sure that we have users created on our CYF3. Go to Settings and Users Administration. These are the global quality monitors. And below, we have the users of this operation. We have this manager, supervisors, and agents. If you don't have users, we cannot make any evaluations. Okay, let's get back to the home page. And now, let's start evaluating. In this operation, we have enabled 3 channels: calls, chats, and emails. The scenario to start evaluating is the same for all channels. I'm going to use the calls channel example. Go to Manual Insert, and in this page you need first open your call recording software and choose a phone call. And now that you've selected your phone call, you need to fill out the information here on this page. So you can click on this button and select one of the agents, or just type the agent that you want, for example John Brown. In this space you need to type the ID of the phone call. I'm going to type something on here, the contact date, for example yesterday, and the beginning of the call, so 9 a.m. The duration 3 minutes. And if your call recording software give the information in seconds, you can use this space here. For example, 580 seconds. I can click on convert, and the duration in minutes and seconds will be converted. You can assign this call to one of your quality assurance analysts or evaluate yourself. You can also attach files, but in the free version you are not allowed to do it, just in paid plans. And here we have a bunch of possibilities. The first one is record and force evaluation later. Another one is record the form. When you click on these 2 possibilities, this contact, this phone call that you insert in the software will be available on calls and pending to evaluate, because we inserted on the calls channel, okay, these buttons. Well, when you click on record and force evaluation later, it will appear first on this list pending to evaluate, okay? And this another possibility: record and evaluate now, and record and evaluate now with last used form. It's self-explanatory, because when you click on this button, you need to select which form you want to use to evaluate. And when you click on this button, of course, we'll show you the last used form. So in this example, I'm going to click on this button. And you see the contact that we inserted. To start the evaluation, you need to click on this button and select your form. Click on the name of the form And now we are on the evaluation page. This is our form. So we need to start filling out the information while we are listening to the phone call. When you change some answer, for example, you can insert comments. Click on this button and type whatever you want. And of course, this commentary will be available for the agents, okay? We have items that force evaluation to 0, for example. And you can also mark if it was first call resolution. And finally, you can put your final feedback on this button. To finish, please mark the CAPTCHA. And before we click on process, you can check a score. These two buttons, back to last search and back to new search, are useful for paid plans which have integrations, because you don't need to search on your phone calls recording, because when your CYF are integrated with the call recording software, you can search on CYF. So it's not useful in the free version. This partial save is an autosave of the document, and this unproductive contact evaluation, it's helpful when a call goes down, for example, and this evaluation will not compose the quality index, okay? And now let's process the evaluation. Okay, here we have the evaluation, and you can see the result. Click on this button. In the free version, the agent doesn't have access to CYF free, which means that the agent is not allowed to disagree of one of the mistakes you score. So how the agent receive the feedback in the free version? He will receive the feedback by email, but he will receive in the PDF version, like this one. And of course, if the agent wants to disagree with one of the items, he will need to talk with you using your internal chat communication or by email, because in the free version, they are not allowed to log in on the software, just on paid plans. Well guys, this was the evaluation process. Thanks for watching this video, and please watch our other tutorials to learn more about CYF free.